Save me if you will, and if you save me, I'm yours.
Oh my gosh. And then you woke up at the hospital.
I woke up at the hospital. I don't remember a whole lot of the hospital. What I really remember was being almost to San Angelo and being in handcuffs.
Okay. And at that, so from there, the shift happened. You basically made a covenant with God.
Did
If you save me, you can have me. And what does that mean for you now?
What that means for me now is on a daily basis, I seek guidance from the Lord. I read the Bible. I go to church on Sunday. I pray to Him almost constantly. He says, pray without ceasing. And I do believe unless I'm talking to another human being at the moment, I am praying. So being in constant contact